In order for you to use the elevator, you have to use your room key. First, here, and then you can press. So no random person can just walk. Well, even if a random person walked in, they can't go up to the rooms, right? You have to have your key. All right. Here we are. When you walk out, look at that lovely view. View of Tokyo. Breathtaking, right? I don't know, like every time I think about earthquakes. Alright, so we come into the room. Ta-da! All right, so first let me show you. Oh, there's this mirror here. I look a hot mess because I'm literally just coming in and the room was cleaned, so I'm giving you a room tour. This is the executive twin, right? Executive twin. We're on the 23rd floor, and you come in and here is the door with the mirror, and this opens. It's a slide door, so it opens to the bathroom. Oh, okay. Hello. Ah, thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu. And the iron board, babe. Okay, please come. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, oh, sorry. Okay, thank you. Anyhow, where was I? Room tour. All right, so quickly, oh, as you see, we requested the iron and the iron board, so she just brought it. So here is the bathroom, and don't mind the dirty clothes, but the bathroom is here. And let me take off my shoes. So when you come in, it's like this, the toilet, and of course it's one of those toilets with the buttons, like to flush, half flush, power deodorizer, so you can use this to deodorize while you use the bathroom. And this is for like the bidet, so bidet and the oshiri, to, you know, water sprays out to clean the area. This is for the water pressure, and this is a nozzle if you want to move it. And of course, you can use this to, in case of emergency. Toothbrush. Oh, they gave us another toothbrush. Oh wow, they took the toothbrush that I opened and gave a new one. And you have shower cap, ladies set. In the ladies set, you have like a scrunchie and the cotton swabs, like to remove makeup and so on. You get soap, hairbrush, Q-tip or cotton buds, shaving cream, razor, washcloth, and some spa thing, cosmetic sample thingy, blow dryer. Yeah, and everything is, you know, really nice like this. Tub is good. Nice deep tub. It's really nice. All right, so that's the bathroom. And right here, close this. Oh, by the way, when you come in, you have to use this card for the electricity or the main switch. But then here's the closet area. You have a lot of space to hang up your clothes and so on. Oh, we got new slippers as well. And we have robes. Ah, fresh robes, fresh towels, everything fresh. And fresh water. Nice. So just quick, of course we've been here for a while, so we have our luggage and stuff all over, but the room is very clean. This is what it looks like. You can make your coffee, you have the kettle to make your tea, you have free water. This mineral water and coffee is for free. You may take it with you. This is my ibuprofen. And then what's here now? Glass, cups, and all of that. Really nice for you to use. No problem. There's a refrigerator. However, the items in the refrigerator you must pay for. So this is the price list here. But of course, we didn't take anything because you gotta pay. You have to pay. It's very nice, right? Yeah, we've been loving it. If you need like an iron, you just request it, and as you saw, they'll just take it up. Then you have the TV, and I love this really nice vanity area. So this is a nice vanity area that I love. Ignore the charger. But on the table, you can use this. Please feel free to use it. This is fabric and air freshener. And then they have information about the room. It's no smoking. If you smoke in the room, you will have to pay 30,000 yen cleaning charge. Here. And you can sit. I really love this. I need this or something like it at home. Turn the light on, and yeah, this one. Do your makeup, check out your outfits, all of that good stuff. Yeah, you can sit and relax and all that good stuff. Light here. All right, so here you can control the room. Turn that back on. Ceiling light and foot. You can also turn these on. See? Let's turn this back off. And now for, oh yeah, this was left open. But as you see, here we have this beautiful view. And what I love about it is they have this glass table here with the chairs. so you can sit and just look out. And on top of that, they've provided you with kind of like a map with like to show you like the outlay of the city and the landmarks, so you can actually look and like, oh, there it is, oh, that's the name. This is really nice. So beautiful. It's breathtaking. I'm gonna turn the light off here so you can really see the view. Here is the view. I turned off most of the lights in the room, and this is the view. Talk to me nice. Isn't this just beautiful? Yeah. So that's it. This is my tour, my room tour. The twin. I can't remember what's the name of the room. Which room is this? The executive twin. Yeah. So executive twin at the Asakusa View Hotel in Asakusa, Tokyo. And I must tell you, I am pleased, very, very pleased with this room. It's a 4-star hotel. It's my first time actually, or first time staying at a 4-star hotel in Tokyo. In Tokyo, yeah. Like a lot of them like 3.5, 3, 2, and they're still not bad. Here of course they have like the pool and that sort of stuff, but we haven't been to the pool. Not really interested in the pool, right? Yeah, plus there's so many things, so many places to visit outside of the hotel, so it's worth it. Worth it. So right here is, what's that called again? Hanayashiki. So Hanayashiki park, amusement park. So that's right here. And then this place, Kaminari Hall. You see it? Kaminari Hall. I don't know where that there. Here, so. Oh, the mountain over here, so I guess. Right here, so. Mount Tsukuba. What's your name? Mount Tsukuba-san. It's over here, so.
Tsukuba, maybe.
And of course this is Skytree right here, Tokyo Skytree. So these two, 1, 2. So the Skytree is this one.
This is Skytree.
So what's beside it? Because it's highlighted too though.
Tokyo Skytree East Tower. So there are 2 towers.
There are 2 towers. And then this one right here is the Asahi Bear Tower with this thing. I don't know what, where's my finger? Finger. Oh, I don't know what this is called. I'm gonna find out. There's just so much to see. All from my room for now. Spectacular view. All right, let's see what the view's like from across. Look at this. So we're just about to leave the hotel.
Yep.
How was the experience?
It was great, but it was too short.
Short, right? But we had a fantastic time. and we told them that we will be back for sure.
Yes.
For the view. All right, Asakusa View Hotel, you were great to us.